Hello everyone, welcome to the video. I thought it might be interesting today to show you my Goonies VHS collection. I've been a long time fan of the Goonies since I was probably about 10 years old. I remember my mum renting the video in the UK back in around 1987, 88. And then I remember seeing it again on TV a few years later and absolutely becoming obsessed with it. It's definitely one of my favourite films, and that's kind of why I decided at some point in time to collect all of the VHS releases. So as far as I'm aware, these are all of the UK releases, from the original rental right up to the last VHS release before DVD came along. So here we have the original UK rental of the Goonies. It still has its original black puffy case, which are very fragile and they are almost always cracked or broken. This one's in exceptionally good condition. I managed to pick this up probably about 10 years ago from a car boot sale for 10 pence, which is unbelievable really, considering that, you know, an original rental of the Goonies will go on eBay now for anywhere up to about £50. So I was very lucky to find it for 10p. So here is the original artwork. I just love it. I love the one-eyed Willie illustration there, the pirate ship in the background, and then there's the image at the top of the Goonies clinging on to the keyboard that Andy has to play to when she has to play the bones. Just brilliant, love it. So the very first, well, in the UK, the earlier rentals had this Warner sticker here, which had the old Warner logo on it. I'll show you the difference between that and the next one shortly. But that's the back. The original embossed box. A rental is always shown to have one of these labels in the window. So next we have, now this is going to look very similar, but this is actually, well, I'm not entirely sure. Some say that it's a second rental print run. Other people say it's the first Goonies sell-through tape before the actual sell-through market really took off and they came in smaller cases. However, you can see that it looks very similar to the previous one. It has the later sticker at the bottom of the spine, whereas if you compare that to this one, you can see that it doesn't have the earlier logo anymore. It also no longer has the puffy case. It's come in a hard Warner Brothers case, as you can see, and along the bottom it says Warner Brothers. And the cassette is slightly different. This particular one still has the Warner Brothers rental logo. So that would say to me that this is a second rental print run, but if anyone knows for sure, let me know. And next we have the first proper UK sell-through. As you can see, it uses the same artwork. It's slightly cropped compared to the original artwork, and as you can see, the box is a lot smaller. These early Warner Brothers sell-throughs still came in Warner embossed cases. And there's the cassette. Notice there's no Warner Brothers sticker in the window here. Now this next one is the first edition that I had as a child. My mum bought this shortly after we wore out the copy that we taped off the television. So I remember she got this, it must have been about 1991, and obviously it's quite different to the previous release. It's got purple writing on the Goonies logo. That's the back. Still in the embossed case. And there's the cassette. I don't believe there are any dates on these. There is some writing on there, but it doesn't give you a recording date. Next edition is the Screen Classics edition. Warner Brothers brought out a whole range of classic films on VHS under the Screen Classics emblem. This is dated 1993. So as you can see, it looks quite different to the previous editions, but still uses the original artwork. There's the cassette with the slightly later Warner Brothers label on the tape. There is a date on here, 5th of May 1994. On the inside it gives you a flavour of what other titles were released under the Screen Classics range. And then the final UK release, as far as I'm aware, is the Family Entertainment release. Again, we still have the original artwork. Here's the cassette. Can't quite make out a date on there. I wonder if that's the 28th of October 2003, possibly. And if it is, then that's really late, because I think the DVD had been released by that stage. So they're my UK releases. I have started on overseas tapes already, so let me just show you some of those. So here we have, I believe this is an Italian Goonies. So an original rental. We have the similar black clamshell case, and we have the old Warner Brothers rental sticker at the bottom of the spine. In fact, it's very similar to the UK rental. There's the back, obviously in Italian. Here's the cassette. Here we have a Dutch Goonies sell-through. Notice on this version the image is flipped, so it's like a mirror image. Not sure why. Interestingly, this one doesn't have a printed label, it's just printed directly onto the cassette. It looks like the 29th of October 1996. And finally, I believe this is a Japanese, I think it's a Japanese sell-through. I'm not 100% sure. It might be a rental because it's got this old sticker at the bottom. But what I've never seen on cassette before is the fact that you don't open it like a normal cassette. It won't open that way. It comes out of the top, which I've never seen before. But there we go. There is the Japanese cassette of the Goonies. And it does look like it's of the age that it would be a rental. But if anyone knows any different, please let me know. There we go. So that concludes my current collection of Goonies VHS. As soon as I get any more overseas tapes, I will update the video. Thanks for watching.